In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Spotify keeps failing to stream songs. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and silver data. Next thing you wanna do is first close the app and relaunch it. With these, your problem might be resolved. Next up, check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Likewise, sign out of your Spotify account and sign back in. This can refresh your account connection. If you are using downloaded songs, try removing the downloads and downloading them again, since corrupted offline files can prevent tracks from playing. Another helpful step is clearing Spotify's cache. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, find Spotify and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. If specific songs still won't play, they may no longer be available in your region due to licensing restrictions, so try playing a different playlist or album to confirm. And lastly, check the service status of Spotify. Navigate to the website down detector, search for Spotify. If there are any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.